Today we're taking a look at an S&P 500 stock, ticker symbol SPY, in anticipation of the upcoming Monday, June 12, 2023 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start: if you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. Let's first begin with a brief overview and analysis of the stock in a general sense, and then following that, we will delve deeper into the stock's specific performance and action, focusing primarily on the upcoming trading day. On Friday, June 9, 2023, the SPY stock commenced trading at $429.96 and concluded at $429.90. Throughout the day, the stock price rose by 0.18%, fluctuating from $429.13 to $429.90. Trading activity saw 85 million shares exchanged, equivalent to approximately $35.98 billion. The stock experienced a trading range between $428.87 as the lowest point and $431.99 as the highest point on the last trading day. Notably, this stock's 52-week high stands at $431.99, while its 52-week low rests at $348.11. When compared to the previous trading day, there were 23 million more shares traded, which is a good indication as the stock price rose. Considering its risk level, this stock is categorized as very steady, carrying a very small chance of distress. The SPY stock continues to exhibit a favorable outlook as indicated by its positive buy signal from both the short-term moving average and the long-term moving average. Furthermore, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, a buy signal is present for the stock, indicating a more optimistic forecast. You should also know that when the stock price surpasses the long-term average, it triggers a buy signal, indicating a favorable outlook. Conversely, if the stock price falls below the short-term average, it generates a sell signal, suggesting a less favorable outlook. The intermediate trend on this stock is bullish, as the stock is in an uptrend. The stock has a mild bullish 3-day candlestick pattern with mild 3-day accumulation. SPY is currently at resistance and is overbought, and so the odds favor short trades. There are no major emerging candlestick patterns on the chart as of the making of this video. Taking into account both technical and fundamental factors, it is anticipated that the SPY stock will continue its upward trajectory. This bullish outlook is bolstered by recent news regarding the S&P 500 entering a new bull market, along with positive indicators such as the MACD. It is worth noting that the stock may encounter temporary resistance in the short term due to a high relative strength index reading. However, the overall upward trend is expected to persist. Watch for a possible breakout above the $433.37 level. Set a target of around $448.28 if the breakout occurs. As of the last trading day, the most recent daily candle on the chart is green. This indicates that the bulls, or in other words, the buyers, dominated the trading session. The session was predominantly bullish, characterized by a trading volume of 85 million. This volume is 1% less compared to the average volume typically observed for SPY, which stands at 85.7 million. The stock is currently trading within the upper range of yearly prices. The SPY stock is positioned above its 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages as well as its simple moving averages. This indicates a positive trend for the stock. Now moving on to the daily technical side of things, this is what we can conclude. The average true range indicator is showing less volatility. The Williams percent range and stochastic indicators are both showing overbought. while the Commodity Channel Index, Relative Strength Index, MACD, Average Directional Index, Rate of Change, and Ultimate Oscillator indicators are all positive. At present, multiple technical indicators are aligning towards a buy signal, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. However, it's important to recognize that relying solely on these technical indicators may not yield substantial outcomes. Let's now delve into the analysis and prediction of SPY's price movement for the upcoming trading day, Monday, June 12, 2023. Bear in mind that if the stock price is below $430.25, there is a higher likelihood of a downside potential. Conversely, if the stock price is trading above $430.25, the possibility of an upside movement is higher. Based on the closing price of the last trading day, the current pivot point for this stock is located at the $430.25 level. Additionally, it has support at the $425.40, $418.59, and $411.93 levels, and resistance at the $433.37 levels. Now, I will outline a few potential SPY stock trades for the upcoming trading day, 2 bullish trades and 2 bearish trades. Feel free to explore other similar trades based on the information provided in this video thus far, depending on your bullish or bearish sentiment towards this stock. Remember that when a support level is breached, it often transforms into a resistance level. Similarly, when a resistance level is surpassed, it tends to act as a support level. For the bullish trade, consider opening a long position if within the first 30 minutes of trading, the stock continues to respect the $425.40 level as a support. Aim to enter the trade as close as possible to that support level, keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bulls, if you're looking to trade SPY, then you're obviously looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bullish trade would be starting to do so somewhere near the resistance level of $433.37. The second bullish trade involves monitoring whether the $433.37 resistance level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a support level for a considerable period. This scenario suggests a short-term bullish outlook, and in this case, consider taking a long position as close as possible to the new $433.37 support level. When it comes to taking profits on this second bullish trade, consider doing so around the next resistance level of $448.28. It is advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock progresses, rather than closing it entirely in one go. Incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. Now, for the bearish trade, if the stock continues to respect the $433.37 level as a resistance after at least 30 minutes of the market opening, it may be suitable for opening or adding to a short trade position near that resistance level. Keep in mind that this would be short-term trade. Now bears, if you're looking to trade SPY, then you're obviously going to be looking to take profit during the day, and so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bearish trade would be starting to do so somewhere around the $425.40 support level. In the second bearish trade, monitor if the $425.40 support level is broken at least 30 minutes after the market opens and then holds as a resistance level for a substantial duration. This scenario implies a short-term bearish outlook. In this case, consider taking a short trade position as close as possible to the new $425.40 resistance level. For taking profits on the second bearish trade, consider doing so around the next support level of $418.59. It is also advisable to close your position in small percentage increments as the stock moves, rather than closing it entirely all at once. As mentioned previously, incremental closures in 25% increments are recommended. I want to emphasize the importance of taking profits near the target levels provided for all these trades, as it is crucial for ensuring profitability. These trades are short-term with a high probability of profit, and when executed correctly, they can accumulate significant gains. Remember to implement this strategy effectively to maximize your results. Whether you choose to adopt a bullish, bearish, or even a combination of both approaches for this stock, I wish you the best of luck with your trades. We value your feedback and encourage you to share your thoughts on this analysis. Feel free to leave a comment below and let us know your perspective. That's all for now, so if you have any other stocks you'd like analyzed, then leave a comment down below with the stocks you'd like analyzed, subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can.